In order to install
the
rear
of the GX.
mounting rib, you will need an assistant.
I'm set.
You will need to get your assistant to go underneath the vehicle, and when you run the bolt through, you need them to thread on the nylock nut. If you do not have a helper to help you, there are alternative routes, but they might not be the greatest. How I decided to install the rear bolts is instead of threading the nut, or instead of threading the bolt through the top, I threaded it through the bottom, and I used a nylock nut on top. I also ended up having to shave the bolt down. That's not a part of Dobinsons' instruction manual, but that's the route I took since I had no one to help me. The method that is shown in this video is the method that I used, and I currently am not having any issues with it, and it did not hinder installation at all. The only downside is you'll need a grinder and a cutoff wheel of some sort in order to perform the method that I used. this is one of the side pieces. These cut right there and connect, but as you see, this does not line up at all. This side was the same issue, so had to fabricate it. So that bracket came as an L. I had to pretty much shave it down, just cut straight down, and cut that much off. So in all the way down, and then get your little latches in right here. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.